studied about the spices. Today we are going to see about the cinnamon. See, cinnamon is, look at the picture, this is cinnamon. Your mother used to cook in the, see, to make biryani or spicy food, she used to take this cinnamon. Look at this. Indians have been using cinnamon for a long time. The Chinese wrote about it in 2700 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. Cinnamon not only adds great flavor to food, so nice smell, not only it adds nice smell to food, it also helps to preserve it, which means to save it, the food. Next, people from other parts of the world appreciated the fragrance and taste of the cinnamon. So, not only India, other parts of the people also appreciated the fragrance and the nice smell and taste of cinnamon. They wanted it too. So, and were willing to pay a good price for it. So, they like the flavor and taste. So they wanted to have this cinnamon. So they give nice price to buy this cinnamon. The Greeks, Romans and Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. In the Middle Ages, the Venetians grew rich by taxing the cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. So, in the middle history, the Venetians, why they become rich means they are taxing, they are charging the tax for the cinnamon. So, to get from India and Europe, so they became rich. Do you know that one of the earliest plants that Indians grew was sugarcane? It is valuable both for providing energy and for its great taste. So, look at this chart, history of the spices. See, 3000 BC to 2000 BCE. BCE refers before Common Era. So, Arabs trade spices and herbs among early civilizations. And then 200 BCE to 1200 BCE, the Romans controlled the trade. They took the trade control. And 1200 to 1500 CE, CE is Common Era. Europeans explore pages to the East India. Explore means to invent. And then 1400 to 1600 CE, CE is Common Era. Wars for control of spice trade break out. And 1500 to 1700 CE, Common Era. English explorations begins. Then only the British people came. Then 1600 to 1900 CE, Americans enter the spice trade. See, today we export pepper, yes, cardamom, ginger, chili, turmeric and coriander and cumin seeds. I hope you followed this topic. Shall we move to the choose the best option? People say curry comes from Tamil word curry, which means sauce. Look at this. 3 options they have given: soup, sauce, sambar. So, which is correct? Sauce. You have to pick and write. Pepper is also known as a liquid gold, black gold, white gold. It's black gold. And then third one, Das wrote about cinnamon in 2700 BCE. So, who wrote? Yes, of course it is Chinese. Option A, Chinese wrote about cinnamon in 2700 BCE. Fourth one, the Greeks, Romans and Egyptians all bought cinnamon from, yes, India. Only option C. Look at this world map. How the Vasco da Gama traveled and then Columbus traveled, they have presented here. Vasco da Gama journey started 1497 to 1499. First he started from Portugal, then he reached Calicut and then they took pepper, black pepper. Then Christopher Columbus journey started 1492 to 1504. He also started from his journey Portugal, and then he went South America, then he took Chile. Now we are going to fill this table. Sailor, look at the sailor, Vasco da Gama and Columbus. Year of travel, just now we had seen here 1497 to 1499, and then Columbus 1492 to 1504. Next, started from both of the sailors are started from Portugal. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala, but Columbus reached South America. They explored India. Vasco da Gama explored India, Columbus explored America. Vasco da Gama taken away black pepper, but Columbus has taken chili. Now look at the picture and read the given information. So they are planting here and then pouring water, manuring, giving manure, then ripening. It means the grow was completed, it's ripe, fully grown. Harvesting and drying. Then they have given the days, 35 to 90 days. Then manuring, they have to give 35th day. And ripening, it needs 30, harvesting it took 10, then totally drying up and everything process will be 120 days. Look at the table carefully, then we have to complete the points below. So before we move to the filler, look at this once again. Growing pace, what are the growing pace? First 2, then it takes 35 to 90, and then ripening space and manuring. First started pace, and second one ripening, then harvesting and drying. The paddy plants are given manure in the dash after dash. See, they have given manure after 90 days. After 90 days. Look at this, 90 days. The plants take dash days to grow before ripening. 65 days. It takes 10 days to dash the rice. Harvest. The rice grains have to be dashed and then stored, dried and then stored. We dash the grain for dash days before boiling. We dry the grain for 100 to 120 days before boiling. Look at the steps to success. 4 of the following 5 are like in a certain ways and so from a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Look at this, they have given garlic, sesame, mustard, olive, corn. One is odd one. Which is odd one? Find out. The garlic is odd one. In a certain code language, if K, B, O, B, B, S, Z is the code word for January, what is the code word for October? So look at this word first, observe carefully. What is the relation between January, first letter J and then K? J, after the J letter K used to come. Likewise, A after B, and then N after O, U, then V, A, B, R, S, Y, Z. So, see, we are aware of this, the code word October. So we have to first letter O. Look at the first letter O. Then after O, P will come. Here 3 actions are starting with P. Let us see what will come next. Next, look at this C. C next D. The 3 action again same D. And then T. T after U. So look at this again U the same. And then O. O after P. So here B they have given, so it is not correct. Now B and D we will observe. What is that? P. Here they have given P both. And then B. C will come. Both are C. E. And then both are F. R. After R the S letter has to come. So option B is correct.